Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make potato soup with meat. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need about 1 pound of ground meat, like beef or sausage, and 4 medium potatoes, peeled and diced. Also, prepare 1 large onion, 2 carrots, and 2 celery stalks, all chopped. Don't forget 4 cups of chicken or beef broth to form the delicious base of your soup. Now let's get cooking. In a large pot or Dutch oven, brown your 1 pound of ground meat over medium heat until it's fully cooked through. Make sure to drain any excess fat from the pot. Then, add your chopped onion, carrots, and celery to the same pot. Sauté these vegetables for about 5 to 7 minutes, stirring occasionally until they begin to soften. Next, it's time to bring everything together. Pour in the 4 cups of chicken or beef broth and add your diced potatoes to the pot. Bring the mixture to a gentle boil, then reduce the heat to low. Cover the pot and let it simmer for about 15 to 20 minutes. The soup is ready when the potatoes are fork tender, absorbing all those wonderful flavors. For the final touch, stir in about 1/2 cup of heavy cream or milk to add a lovely richness to your soup. Taste and adjust the seasonings with salt, pepper, and any herbs you prefer. You can garnish with fresh parsley or shredded cheese for extra flavor. Serve your warm, hearty potato soup immediately and enjoy this comforting meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.